and one pill makes you small, and the ones that mother gives you don't do anything at all. Go ask Alice when she's 10 feet tall. And if you go chasing rabbits and you know you're going to fall, tell 'em hookah, smoking caterpillar has given you the call. Can call Alice when she was just small. When the man on the chessboard get up and tell you where to go, and you've just some kinds of mushroom, and your mind is